Okay, got another mini project here, and that is I'm at my next door neighbor's house. There's our house right over there. And she came over and she told me that the kick plate on her bottom step coming up to her front porch is rotted out. Would like me to replace it. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Looks like that's a 1x6, 5.5 inches tall by 42. All right, let's go and pull this old one off. Just nailed in place there. Scarf the front of that tread too much. There we go. That's the sound we were looking for. Perfect. Okay. Well, I happen to have actually 3 of these 1x6s, 8-foot 1x6s already in my shed. So, let's see where 42 lands us. Right there. So, pretty quick, easy fix. Come up here and cut the new, some people call these kick plates, some people call them risers. My neighbor, Miss Francis, she said, she called it the thingamajig that goes on the front of the step. So, this is the thingamajig that goes on the front of the step. All right. Bow to this board, so I'll put the bow out. Really get down on it with the hammer if I put this other board on top of it. Got a ways to go. Framing hammer. This framing hammer has a waffle edge. Top is going to be able to aim it. Get on the front. Quite in there, but I think when I screw it, it'll draw it in there, hopefully. Let's see. All right, let's see if the screw draws it in there. Do not want to split the wood. Oh yeah. Perfect. That looks great. All right, put 2 screws on each stringer, and we're good to go. Okay, that was quick and easy. Looks pretty good. I'll leave with this. Psalm 37:23. The steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord. He delights in his way.